listeners, today we are going to start with chapter 13, that is the discovery of fire, farming, and wheat. So, discovery of fire. So, as you all know, early man had the the life of early man was very difficult. He ate raw flesh of animal. Discovery of fire was a great discovery of early man. There is very interesting story behind the invention of fire. One day, the early man rubbed two pieces of stones together. On doing this, what happened? A spark come out, and the spark set on dry leaves and turned into ashes. At first, by look, he was afraid of it, but soon he find that जो wild animals होते थे ना, वो भी fire से डर जाते थे. And fire helped them in many ways. Like it helped in cooking food, खाना बनाने में इनकी help करा. ठीक है, animals frightened हो जाते थे. और जब ठंड होती थी ना, cold, harsh, cold weather होती थी, तो उनको कैसा रखना था? Warm रखते थे. Right? So these were the, और जब darkness होता था, अंधेरा हो जाता तो light देता था. Right? So these were the different uses that helped fire. नाउ डिस्कवरी ऑफ फार्मिंग. पहले क्या होता था, जो अर्ली मैन थे वो फूड गैदरर थे, मतलब दे हैव टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर फॉर गैदरिंग फूड. He moved about from one place to another in search of food. He lived on seeds, fruits and roots that grow of their own in nature. Gradually what happened, जो men है, what he did, he realized that seeds spilled on the ground, sprouted and grew into plant. He now started putting some seeds in the soil, and in this way he started farming. So early man gradually learned plowing, sowing, repairing and other farming process. It took many hundred years to learn all these things. The discovery of farming had early men to lead a settled life. जैसे ही फार्मिंग की डिस्कवरी हुई, तो अर्ली मैन ने कैसी लाइफ जीना स्टार्ट करा? सेटल्ड लाइफ. नाउ इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील. Thousands of years ago, men had no means of transport. Early humans carried their load on their back. This way was very tiring and slow. And later he made a sledge, मतलब a wheelless car. As there was no roads in those time, it was difficult to go long distance. और बहुत difficult होता था long distance जाना. Early man got an idea when he saw a log of wood rolling down the slope. He placed a log under the sledge, which could now move easily. ठीक है? So still later, the early man shaped a log by cutting it and made small cylindrical logs. He fitted these logs to the sledge. और उन्होंने अगर इस log को किसमें sledge में fit करा. Ultimately, early man made a wheel by cutting a slice from the round log of wood and he made hole in the center. जो एक log था ना, उसके बीच में hole बनाया. So he attached those wheel with the slice और उन्होंने ऐसा wheel cart बनाया. And the wheel made the transportation easier. Now, invention of wheel completely changed the life of early men. On the earth, soon man was able to make wheel cart. The invention of wheel cart was unique success of the man indeed. Various uses of wheel in our daily life. In course of time, men made lighter wheels. तो क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे लोग men ने lighter wheel बनाया and men then made wheels hikes. What he did, he started putting leather strips on wooden wheels after discovery of iron. Iron bands were used in place of leather strips. He made traveling to distant places easier and carrying luggage to become easier because wheeled carriage men made clay pots with the help of pottery. और clay pots किससे बनाया? किसकी help से? Potter wheel की help से. Right? This is how discovery of fire, farming and wheel had the early men to change their life. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.